What are the best penny stocks to buy right now? What if we told you that some stocks under $5 could turn into tomorrow's big winners? In today's video, I'll share some of the best penny stocks to buy right now that investors are closely watching. But be careful, these stocks come with high risk and high reward. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about stock market education and smart investing ideas. Today's topic is best penny stocks to buy right now. Penny stocks are usually low-priced stocks, often trading under $5, and they can be very volatile. Some people avoid them because of risk, but others like them because even a small move can mean big gains. Important reminder, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before investing. What are penny stocks? Before we look at the stocks, let's quickly understand what penny stocks are. Penny stocks are shares of small companies with low market value. Because these companies are still growing, their stock prices can move very fast both up and down. The first penny stock to watch right now is a company from the technology or healthcare sector. The stock has recently seen increased trading volume, which means more investors are paying attention to it. When volume increases, it often signals potential price movement, but it can go either way. The second penny stock is from the energy or renewable sector. With global demand increasing, many investors are watching small companies in this space. The stock is still trading at a low price, which makes it attractive for short-term traders. Next, we have a biotech penny stock. Biotech stocks can move very fast based on news like clinical trials or approvals. While the risk is high, the reward can also be significant if positive news is released. Another penny stock to watch is a small cap consumer or digital services company. The company is trying to expand its business, and the investors are keeping an eye on future growth plans. Stocks like this are often risky, but they can perform well during strong market sentiment. The last penny stock on our list is a financial or e-commerce related company. This stock is still under the radar, but analysts and traders are starting to notice it. Low price, rising interest, and improving fundamentals make it worth watching. Remember, penny stocks are not for everyone. Prices can rise quickly, but they can also crash just as fast. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and always use proper risk management. So, these were some of the best penny stocks to buy right now that many investors are watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments which penny stock you are watching, or if you want a part 2 of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.